So, I am here at the Rock Teen Center. It is 2019, April 18th, and I'm here to record this song.
I would have bought my own I do. I was just making a statement. I do. I have like 14. Let's just take one
Okay, so I'm here to play The Sound of Dawn and record it. Okay, so that's basically The Sound of Dawn, and I do have lyrics to it, but it's a slower version of that song. So it's the same song, and the lyrics are: butterflies in my stomach frighten me, flutters when I see you, turn gut-wrenching for the wings, they turn to blades, I can only stop and rephrase what I meant to say that day. Because when I speak to you, I can only speak in stutters. When I look at you, I can only see the future, the threatening, idolizing, c'est la vie, I wish to proceed, but my stomach it bleeds, so I can only stop and rephrase what I meant to say that day. Viejo mio, I wish to speak of, still I can only dream of, so I can only stop and rephrase what I meant to say that day. Flowers will decay on the path we used to take. All I am left to say is what I meant to say that day. Yeah. And I might change the end of that, but the beginning will always be the same. I like mixing the last verse, the second to last verse with the last verse and mix them. But yeah.